It's much tastier and more convenient than cooking it in a pot. Pour half a cup of rice into a generously sized cup. Add about 1 cup of water and rinse the rice well. Drain the rinsed rice and put it back in the cup. Add 3/4 cup of water. Let the rice soak for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the rice should be well soaked. If you microwave the cup directly, the rice will boil over and water will overflow from the cup. So make sure place the cup on a bowl and put a plate on top of the cup. Microwave it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, don't open the lid and let it sit for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, the rice will be almost cooked. Mix well. Pour the rice water that overflowed into the bowl back into the cup and microwave it for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, fluffy and delicious rice is done. Steam the egg. Chop 1 green onion finely. Slice the carrot thinly and chop it into small pieces. In a bowl, mix 5 eggs, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Add about 1½ cups of hot water to the mixture to cook the eggs faster. Strain the mixture through a strainer for a smoother texture. Add a bit of chopped green onions or carrots if you want. Use a microwave-safe bowl, and if you have a microwave-safe lid, use it. Microwave for 6 to 7 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes, perfectly soft and pudding-like steamed eggs is done. Stir-fry the potatoes. Slice the potatoes thinly, then julienne them into thin strips. Soak the julienned potatoes in water to remove the starch. Drain the potatoes, slice 1 green onion thinly. If you have a bacon or ham, slice it thinly. Mix the drained potatoes with the bacon, half teaspoon of salt, a bit of pepper, and half tablespoon of cooking oil, and a bit of chopped green onions. Cover with a microwave-safe lid. Microwave for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, be cautious as the container will be hot. If it tastes bland, add a bit salt. Simple and delicious stir-fried potatoes is done. Braised tofu, 두부조림. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and a bit of pepper. Cut 1 block of tofu in half and slice it into appropriate thickness. Place the tofu in a microwave-safe container and evenly spread the sauce on top. Layer the rest of the tofu and spread the remaining sauce. Cover with a microwave-safe lid and microwave for 6 to 7 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes, delicious braised tofu is ready. Season the zucchini side dish. Cut the zucchini in half and then slice it into thick pieces. Put the zucchini in a microwave-safe container, cover with a lid or plastic wrap, and microwave for about 3 minutes. In a bowl, mix half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of tuna fish sauce, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic, half tablespoon of red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 1 tablespoon of chopped green onions. After 3 minutes, drain the water from the zucchini and mix it with the seasoning. Very flavorful seasoned zucchini side dish is done. Super simple suyu. Cut the pork into appropriate sizes and make small diagonal cuts into the pork belly to cook it better and make it more tender. Season the pork with 3 pinches of salt, a bit of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, cut half an onion into appropriate sizes. Place the sliced onion in a microwave-safe dish and put the seasoned pork on top. Slice the remaining half onion and place it on top of the meat to enhance the flavor and tenderness. Slice 2 green onions, put them on the meat. Cover with a microwave-safe lid. Microwave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, carefully remove the hot container with gloves. The pork is perfectly tender and delicious. Slice the pork thinly. A simple yet delicious stew is done.